Welcome to the machine shop. Thanks for stopping by. Check some stuff out today. You guys know me, I'm kind of a tool guy. So I wanted to check out some of the stuff here, get familiar with where things are. Right off the bat, SK. These Union guys do not use cheap stuff. This is going to be all high-end. There's probably no Craftsman, no Husky. I mean, these SK sets are like $500. This is easily a $500 quarter-inch drive SK set. Yeah, these guys don't play. I mean, every now and then you see something. Geodor. I don't know if those are Swiss or German. The old Williams Super Wrench, Super Torque, some snap-ons. There's stuff I've never even heard of. Martin tools. I am not familiar with Martin tools. Some good SKs. These are all engraved. They got Buffalo Evening News and Machine Shop stamped on them. Smart SKs. Yep. Some big wrenches. Some press fittings. Some threaded rod. Slide hammer components. Some Allens. That drawer's fucking heavy. Holy smokes. SKs. Williams. I'm not too familiar with Williams. I know they're good. I don't think they're like fabulous. But yeah, there's some amazing stuff here. I am just loving it. I am in heaven. Some more stuff. All the gear pullers. Big ass gear pullers, jaw pullers, slide hammer. I've yet to even explore all of this. It's going to take some time snapping to get familiar with everything. So if I do need something, I don't spend 2 hours trying to find it. Definitely a lot of cool stuff. For sure. I don't even know what this is called. What else? I was checking this out. This was pretty impressive. All their drill bits. Just tons of bits. Just massive amounts of stuff. Look at this. Oh my goodness, just endless. So much stuff. I'm so excited. Grinders, sanders. And these old suckers, look at this thing. Ball door. Thing's a beast. And the welders. That is, I think, a cooler. I think that actually pumps fluid to cool it off for doing real long welding to keep things cool. I think this is Ted's from home. I think Ted brought this in from home, the Eastwood MIG and TIG 200. I don't know how to weld. I'm going to take a welding course. I'm actually going to take a welding course and a machining course, machining one. Yeah. Loving it. There's probably 2 or 3 other rooms full of stuff. This is just one of a couple. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. This is just one room of about 3 that I now call home. But yeah, loving it. Anyway, time to get to work. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.